today we're just going to put in the short shift kit. This will be my first short shift install. This is just a really cheap kit apparently. We're just going to try use this because our mate Tyler gave it to us and it's good to recycle parts when you can. We'll see how we go. Okay, so we're inside the car. We've got our gear stick here. We're gonna remove the Pokeball gear knob that I have on here. We're gonna remove the surround, ashtray and whatnot. Here I've already got the screw removed. In R34 it's held in by one screw, and I think in R33 it's got two screws behind the cigarette ashtray there. Gotta catch them all. Don't smoke. Kills you. Behind here you'll have your cigarette power and light, so just go ahead and unclip those. Ow. Some foam. Cool. So there we have it. We've got our 410 mils around the surround there, so let's undo those. We have taken out our 4 screws, and then for the surround we should just be able to pop it off somehow. We now have our surround taken off. Rubber ring, which is cable tied to the base. Just snip that. So I just pulled off the cable tie and just slipped off this disgusting little ring. Once you've got your rubber boot off, you'll see that inside the gear shift mechanism there, you've got a little ring with the 2 circles on it. Pinch these 2 circles together and pull out the ring, pull out the whole assembly, I would assume. So give it a go. It's got a bit of gunk in there. Even looks a little bit broken. Bit of play as well. Okay, so I've just got 2 little, I think they're T10s, little Allen keys. Got a bit of gunk on it, but yeah, T10, nice and small. Just 2 things here, and I can just pinch them together and hopefully be able to, there we go, keep it nice and safe. Then we should realistically be able to just plop that out. All right, so we've got out the old greasy yummy boy. This one here is a big circlet ring shoved in this groove here, and it's got a cutout right up here. The flat head and push it inwards. If you had some very narrow head long pliers, that should be able to do the trick for you here. And then we can pull this base plastic piece with the 2 little notches on it. Taken out. And then you've got your base of this unit here. Now we're just going to give it a little clean. And we're just going to replace that sort of little washer of sort, gasket bearing thing. And I can see that we're just going to reuse a lot of the old fitments to hold it in place. this rubber boot's obviously ripped from the factory shifter, but I'm still going to use it because it does hold back some of the gunk flying up. So I'm just going to re-cable tie that with a new cable tie. Got some cable ties. Alright, there we have it. Got a boot. And we'll just replace that sound matting that we had. Plug those two back in. One nice new short shaft. Alright, so I'm happy with the height of that compared to the other one that probably stood about there. It is a bit noisy. Being aftermarket one, just a cheap one, but hey, it was free from my mate Tyler, so thanks Tyler, and I'll give it a good go. And hey, if I'm not happy with it, you know, I might just stash it away and replace it with a better one. So we'll just see how that goes. If you guys have seen that my AC is out, that's just because I'm changing the lights in the back of them. They're all kind of dead. Same with a few of my dash lights. I just need to change some of those over, so that'll be in a different video as well. We got first, second, third, fourth, fifth, nice and easy. And from neutral we've got reverse. So I'm happy with that. Thanks Tyler. Short shift.